morning everyone. Today we are going to revise the chapter 16. This is garbage in and garbage out. You all know that so much of waste is generating every day from our houses. Right? हमारे घरों से डेली कुछ ना कुछ वेस्ट निकलता है. Okay? And so much of waste is coming out from the offices, from the companies, from the industries, from the medical laboratories. So many different type of waste we are generating day by day, and if this will increase by this rate, अगर ऐसे इसी rate से increase होता रहेगा, so the in future our earth will be a dump of waste only. Okay? Clear to everyone? So waste is also of three types: solid, liquid, and in gaseous form also. Waste is also of two types: solid, liquid, and gaseous waste is also there. Gaseous की form में भी होता है, right? Your industries, your factories are generating the gaseous waste. Clear to everyone? So what we have to do? You know that very well. Your home, in your home, if you will calculate how much waste generated in a one day, calculate करो कि कितना waste एक दिन में generate होता है. It's approx how much? Yes.
Some waste is come from our vegetable.
Yes, vegetable से आता है. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Korean waste vegetables on.
मैं pencil shopping.
Yes, by pencil shopping also you are generating the waste like papers. You are wasting. So much of waste is coming from your house.
Plastic polybags.
Plastic polybags are also there.
Plastic bottles.
It is a severe threat for our environment. Plastic is a severe threat for our environment. Clear to everyone? Okay. So how to deal with the garbage? कैसे हमें garbage के साथ deal करना चाहिए? Okay. Now today we will learn about, we will revise about dealing with garbage. With garbage. With garbage. You know that आपके जो सफाई कर्मचारी होते हैं, the garbage, they taken the garbage, they collect the garbage in trucks and take it at the low-lying open areas are called landfills. वो क्या करते हैं? आपके घरों में, सबके घर में जो कचरा गाड़ी आती है, वेस्ट कलेक्टर जो आपकी बस टाइप होती है, वैन टाइप होती है, वो आती है, राइट? व्हाट दे डिड, वो आपके घरों से कूड़ा कलेक्ट करके दे मूव दैट गार्बेज टू द लैंडफिल्स. एंड व्हाट आर लैंडफिल्स? लैंडफिल्स आर द लोलैंड्स, ऐसे एरिया जो काफी नीचे होते हैं, ओके, सरफेस लेवल से काफी डाउन होते हैं. दे फिल दीज एरियाज विद द हेल्प ऑफ द garbage. Okay. There is a part of garbage that can be reused is separated out from that one that cannot be used as such. और वहाँ पे क्या होता है? सिर्फ कूड़ा वहाँ पे डाल देना, that waste वहाँ पे put कर देना is not enough. They also separate the waste that can be reused and the waste that cannot be reused. Recycle वेस्ट को क्या करते हैं? सेपरेट करते हैं, सेग्रीगेट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल the plastic bottles, the glass that can be reused again. Okay, so reusable waste they segregate from that garbage at that places. Okay, thus the garbage has both useful and non-useful components. और garbage में useful component भी होते हैं और non-useful components भी होते हैं. Clear है? Okay. The non-useful component is separated out. Non-useful component को separate कर दिया जाता है. separated our landfills and then covered with a layer of soil. और जो यूजेबल नहीं है उसे क्या किया जाता है, उसको सेपरेट करके लैंड्स में फैला दिया जाता है and then that area is covered with a layer of soil. Okay? Once the landfill is completely full, एक बार जब landfill completely full हो जाता है, it is usually converted into park और usually क्योंकि it is then that land will not be usable for the crops, for growing crops, cannot be used for growing crops. So that's why these areas then converted into parks. ऐसे एरिया को क्या बनाया जाता है फिर, park, zoo, like this type of activities are played there. Okay. So for the next 20 years or so, no building is considered on it. कोई भी buildings वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं बनती है वहाँ पे 20 years के लिए. To deal with some of the useful component of garbage, compost making areas are developed near the landfill. और ताकि उस waste का कुछ ना कुछ तो something कुछ अच्छा use हो भी सके, like because in your waste, two types of waste is there. One is dry waste, one is wet waste. Like your vegetable peeling and all. जो आपका kitchen waste होता है. That waste is also separated and compost factories or composting areas बनाए जाते हैं जहाँ पे composting की जा सके. Okay, मैंने वर्मी composting में आपको समझाया था. राइट, तो कंपोस्टिंग के लिए उस एरिया उन्हीं आस-पास के एरियाज को चुना जाता है ताकि वहाँ से इजीली वो चीज़ ट्रांसफर की जा सके और वहाँ पे आपके मैन्योर भी प्रोड्यूस किया जा सके. जो वेस्ट है उसमें से कुछ अच्छा निकाला जा सके. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके. सो अब कंपोस्ट क्या होता है, व्हाट इज कंपोस्ट? आपका जितना भी घर में जो आपका वेजिटेबल पीलिंग्स होती हैं, जो वेजिटेबल्स जो आपका किचन वेस्ट होता है, ऑलमोस्ट जो किचन वेस्ट होता है उसको अगर आप एक अपना फील्ड में अगर आप एक डिग करेंगे या एक गड्ढा बना देंगे वहाँ पे, राइट. सो एंड देन पुट ऑल दीज थिंग्स देयर. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट fill that pit with the help of layer of soil. Okay, with the help of or you can do vermicomposting that I explained you that there you can put some like what are these? Red worms. Okay, you can put red worms there and then these red worms convert this all the peelings, all the waste into the manure. Okay, आपके manure में convert कर देगा, fertilizer में convert कर देगा, natural fertilizer. Clear to everyone? So that is called composting. So I explained the vermicomposting also. Vermicomposting में आपका red worms का यूज किया जाता है. किसका वर्म? ये क्या है? Red worms. And red worms, if you will put only 2-3 red worms there, they will multiply by themselves and they will be many at that area. उस एरिया में बहुत सारे अपना बन जाएंगे and they will feed all the garbage and make the soil fertile and make the soil that particular waste into a manure. Clear to everyone? Okay. So vermicomposting is clear. Do the like all the worksheet of this chapter. Okay. Now see student, you all have to recycle the paper, recycle the everything. I thought I have already given you some activity regarding the recycling also. All you have done that activity? That I think one activity is there for making a cardboard from a waste papers. I told you to do that. Making a cardboard from waste paper. This activity you will get marks. In video not, in the class I think I have given. Okay, in that class you all also have to do this. Okay, what you have to do you have to collect the waste papers from your home. Waste paper, do not use the fair paper. Okay, waste paper, and then you have to dip all these paper in the water and leave it for 1 day. Okay, and then drain the water from it and mix all the papers in very fine paste. Okay, and then with the help of some students in that class, with the help of that छलनी होती है ना, उसका शेप देने के लिए, in that they dried it, उसको सुखाया उन्होंने और उसे कार्डबोर्ड पर. So they did very well. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. They did very well and they get marks also for it. So student, you also have to do this. This can be done 1 day. It is not costing too much time. It is not costing too much time. This is your activity that is in your book also about the recycling of paper. So you have to learn how to recycle paper. In the factories it is recycled by the machines, but you can also learn how to recycle. The students have done very well. They have done it very well. Okay, they made a cardboard. So many students have done this. Okay, so this activity all of you have to do also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, your waste is of how many types? One is domestic waste. One is domestic waste. Domestic waste तो clear है सबको? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. These are of cooking, serving food, waste paper, plastic, clothes, racks. These all are the domestic waste. Some are municipal waste. Municipal waste. Municipal waste are just like your pipes, wires, insulations, dead animals, ashes, cinders. These all are municipal waste. Some is industrial, some waste is industrial waste. What can be in the industrial waste? It can be like food processing waste हो सकता है. It can be plastic waste. It can be rubber waste. It can be metal scraps. It can be plastic scraps. And these it can be mineral waste.
Glass.
Okay, glass waste. Okay, so these things can come under your industrial waste. Clear to everyone? और what about your agriculture waste? Agriculture waste में आपके manures हो गए, आपके fertilizers हो गए, pesticides हो गए, your that husk, आपका जो after that आपका जब धान आपका कटता है तो उसके बाद जो निकल के आता है, ओके, जब इसको आपके राइस को उसके से हंस से निकालते हैं तो हंस का आपका उसमें से वेस्ट निकलता है. So these are all under the waste. So what we have to do? We have to minimize the waste. Okay. And what will be the benefit of recycling? Recycling के benefits क्या है? We will minimize the risk of health and safety. Minimize the risk of health and safety. And safety. Okay. that just like your cool drink bottles, you can reuse it making pots. So many methods to make it into a pot, convert it into a pots. So by these type of methods you can reduce your landfills. Okay, because so much of waste will not generate there. Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? बहुत सारा waste क्या होगा, generate ही नहीं होगा. So this is what the activity. I am giving you two options. Either you can do any make anything from the waste at your home, but it should be from the waste. I am giving you two options. Either you make the waste paper from the waste paper, cardboard from the waste paper, or either you can make what? Anything from the waste. Not only pot, you can make anything. So many students have done very well. They did very well. So this activity you also have to do. Clear to everyone? So this is your homework for everyone. When you will come next day, then I will see that and I will give you marks according to that only. Clear to everyone? So thank you everyone. So this chapter is revised according. It is already revised also. I think garbage in, garbage out. It is revised earlier also. So you have to do it again. Now the last chapter will be like separation. I think. What is the name of that chapter? Just read out fast. Separating materials.
Sorting materials.
Sorting materials into groups. That chapter we will revise on our next day.